Hi, my name is Anthony. I am a product specialist here at Roesch Ford, and I'm going to be demonstrating the 2021 Ford Explorer ST Park Assist. We're going to click the Active Park Assist button to our right. Once we do that, we're going to follow the prompt on the screen to turn the left turn signal or right turn signal on, whichever way we're going to turn. Once we do that, we are going to follow the screen again. It's going to say stop. We're going to put it in neutral and hold the Active Park Assist button down. Once we do that, it's going to park itself. Now it's finished. So once it's finished, you're able to parallel park out as well, the same way. For perpendicular parking, we're going to follow the prompt on the screen after we press the Active Park Assist button again. It's going to tell us to turn left or right turn signal on, and we are going to go whichever way we want to go. Once it says stop, put it in neutral. Once we put it in neutral, we're going to hold down the button. After we hold down the button, it's going to continue parking itself without touching any of the steering wheel or pedals. And again, we are finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Anthony. I'm product specialist here at Roesch Ford, and we'd love to see you soon here.